We as adults need to change this cycle, change this mindset by keeping people to account, holding people to account, saying, but you are responsible. You need to take the consequences. And we are not yet doing that. And we need to realize when we keep quiet, as normal people, but that actually have that moral value system and knows that this is wrong. If we keep quiet, we are allowing this to happen. And I know this is an uncomfortable thought, but I want you to think about that. How do we stop this? By saying no. Very short word. No. You are not entitled to my stuff, my money, my hard work. No. You are responsible. You take the responsibility. You fix it.